a 6-liter LQ4, the low compression one, LQ4 with a cam, socket stage 2 cam, ported and polished LS1 heads, the old LS1 8x3s I think they are, to bump the compression up just a little bit. Other than that, it's bone stock. I put a fresh rebuild on it, rings and bearings and all that stuff. Anyways, got headers on it. And it sounds pretty nasty. Into a wide single exhaust. It's all 3-inch pipe until it gets to the muffler, which is 2.5. So I know that's not right, but I do it anyway. So I love it. That sounds better. I bet.